Hey YouTube, Sean, and back on the ES4500 for now. Got this pulley right, and I need it's 7/8 inside diameter. Need to make it 3/4 with a key. All right, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Here we go. I measured this stuff. Come off a wheelchair for my wife's work, and it's 7/8 outside, and it's 3/4 in the middle. So we cut a chuck off right off the end of that, and now we're going to just check it up in the mill that we just built. I'm going to mill a 3/16 slot for our key. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Be right back. Alright, here we go, YouTube. Here we go. We're going to hit the switch, and I already got one pass done. We're gonna mill a slot in that there. Sorry about the shaky cam, my tripod broke. You know how that is in the shop. Alright, so we're going to take the end mill and just make a pass. Already made one pass. There we go. Alright, let's see if she works. Stay tuned, guys. Be right back. Alright, guys, there we go. I got the piece we just made, the sleeve or shaft adapter made with that little mill. See, it does work. And I got the key in it. There it is. Totally done by the little mill. Thank you again, George, for the for the pulley. And we're going to put it to use. We're going to put it on that little ES45 that's just been sitting there doing nothing. Yep. So there you go, guys. We made it with the mill. Hey, incidentally, I want to show you guys, I moved it back to where it was originally, because this countertop is so much more solid, and that's what we used. Yep, forward and reverse, and I have full access, or full axis with the vise, X, Y, and Z, and it works good. Just forward. There's the reverse. Alright. So we'll finish installing some sort of shield, at least over the front part of that there. But yeah, it works great. I know I had a few doubters on my channel, but this little modification into a mill works good. You know, no reason why you can't. If you look up the Harbor Freight mill, the only difference with this setup and the actual mill is the motor is here, and they do away with the belt. That's it. It still has this, you know, still has the tri handle. It still goes up and down. Has the same chuck. Everything's the same except for the motor is mounted here. There's really no difference. This way it's just belt driven, right? Alright, so also what I've done with this thing is left-handed drill and a screw up through the spindle or through the chuck into the spindle so this chuck cannot come off, and then I lowered it down as far as it would go and safety welded the spindle to the shaft. That sucker's on there, guys. So there's a little update, and there's the first project, usable project. And thank you again, George. Check you next time, guys. Remember, if you watch it, thumb it up. Bye-bye, guys.